So friends, we solve this expression by following the BODMAS rule, as which dictates the order of operations. BODMAS says first you have to solve brackets, then off. Off you can easily multiply, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first we solve the innermost brackets. Innermost bracket, there is roundmost brackets. So first solve the operation. Inside is 17 plus 2, you will get 19. Now the expression becomes, there is 2 multiply 2 plus 2 and then curly bracket 39 minus 2 and then 19, curly bracket off and then square bracket. Second step, next brackets is curly. Inside the curly bracket, multiply the digits first and then subtract. So first we'll multiply. 2 multiplied by 19, there is 38, and after you will subtract the numbers. 39 minus 38, you will get 1. Now the expression becomes is 2 multiply 2 plus 2. Step, outer bracket, square bracket you have to solve. Inside the square bracket there is a multiply first and then add. So first multiply, 2 multiply 1, there is 2, and then add the digits. 2 plus 2, it's become 4. Now the expression becomes is 2 multiply square bracket, it's 4. Now final operation is multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and the final answer is 8. And I hope you have cleared this expression. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.